Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Safwan Samayal. Today we are going to see Black Forest cake.
Happy to share Safwan Samayal's 50th recipe with you. I am really thankful to you for your constant support. Let us move on to the recipe now. In a mixing bowl, add 50 gram butter. Add 1 cup powdered sugar. Mix well with a hand whisk. Now add 2 eggs. Beat well. When everything gets mixed, add 2 cup maida. First add 1 cup. Mix well and then add second cup. Now mix well. Then add 1 cup cocoa powder. Mix well with the batter. Now add 1 cup diluted curd. Don't add thick curd. Mix well. Now add half cup hot water. The water should be hot. Mix well. Now add 10 gram dry yeast. And mix well. Add half teaspoon salt. Now using electric beater, beat well. You can beat in mixer grinder also. Finally add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Give a final mix. Now dust a steel pan with maida and pour the batter. Cover it and keep it for 30 minutes. Let's prepare cherry syrup now. In a pan, add 1 cup water and half cup sugar and boil it. Then add 5 to 10 crushed cherries. Smash it. Cook for 10 minutes. Then in a bowl add 2 tablespoons water and 1 teaspoon corn flour and squeeze half lemon. Mix well without lumps. Pour it over the cherry mixture. Now mix well. And switch off the stove. Our cherry syrup is ready now. You can filter it and keep aside. Now let's prepare whipping cream. For that, refrigerate the mixing bowl for 2 to 3 hours in freezer. Take it out and add 500 ml whipping cream. And 3 tablespoons icing sugar. Mix well with a beater. Cream is ready now. It's time to bake the cake. After 30 minutes, our batter is doubled in size. Now tap it to avoid bubbles and place it on the hot tawa. Close it with the lid. Close the lid hole with the tissue. Bake it for 30 to 40 minutes. Now our cake is ready. You can see the soft cake that bounces back. Pierce with a knife to check the cake is done perfectly. You can see the soft texture. Let it cool and demold. Transfer to a plate. And cut into equal halves in the center. Separate the 2 pieces. Now let us do the icing. Take the first half and pour the cherry syrup over it. Now add some cherries. Spread it over the cake. And spread the whipping cream. Now place the second half of the cake and pour the cherry syrup. And apply the remaining whipped cream. And my final topping is custard cream. For that, add 1 tablespoon custard powder to 2 cups of milk. Add required sugar and boil it. You will get a thick cream. You can apply that. It's really different and gives creamy texture. Cover the sides also. You can see the yummy cream. It's something different and you can really enjoy the taste also. Now garnish with cherries and grated chocolate. Refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours. Now our delicious Black Forest cake is ready to eat. Cut into pieces and enjoy every bite. Thank you for enjoying this video. Like, comment, share and subscribe to Safwan Samayal. Once again, I thank all my subscribers for your constant support.